Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove a sleep focus on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the Mini or the Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Focus. Then in here, tap on Sleep. At the top, tap on the Sleep toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. Once it is turned on, you can see there is a sleep focus mode at the top right next to the clock. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or turn it off. Once sleep is switched on, then it will suspend all notifications and incoming call. And that's it. That's how you can turn it on or off. Now, if you go into your focus settings and if you do not see sleep, then you can tap on the add button and select sleep in here to set up a new sleep focus mode. If it's already in here, and it should be in here by default, then you can simply just go in there and turn on or turn off by tapping on the toggle switch. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.